Hello, the virtual investor here. Today, I'm going to show you an example of how you make money in real estate. A lot of people say, how do you make money in real estate? What do you do to increase the value? Well, today I want to give you an example of one specific property in a pretty hot market in Fort Worth, Texas here. So let's take a look at it. All right, so what we have here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, two-bedroom, two-bath, but it really is a third, which they consider a den because it doesn't have its own closet there, or it could be used as a home office. But anyway, very hot area. This property we picked up for 182.8. We put around 3,000 in repairs. Probably gonna end up putting closer to maybe 8 to 10 when all is said and done here. We got under contract with a buyer we had list for 229.9. Had a bidding war with multiple people on it and was bid up to 235. So 182.8, call it 186 with closing costs. Add another 10K on top if you want, 196. And we're into it for 196, going to sell for 235 minus closing costs and realtor fees. We're probably going to net around $25,000 on this property. It's a great example on how to make money in real estate. So that's one prime example. And these properties are not that hard to find. This is a property we had been bidding on for a little while, probably I would say 3 or 4 cycles, maybe 2 months that have been on auction cycles. And it's just a prime example of what we teach and what type of property to find, what markets to be in, because you need to know what markets to be in. Otherwise, you're not going to make money in real estate. I can tell you there are certain markets right now that are getting hammered. They're really dropping because they got big inventory. And there's other markets that have no inventory and prices are still escalating. Wouldn't you like to know what markets to be in? That's what we teach. It's what we specialize in. If you want to learn more about that, check us out at reauctionacademy.com or fliprealestatevirtually.com. Got a couple different places there. You can get some information, take a look, and see if this works for you. Catch you in the next video.